Happy new month, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this round and ruffles gele. You will really love it. Ratio for this gele is 70-30 or 80-20, but in this video I'm using 80-20. So first I start creating my pleats. I created like 4 pleats there or 5. So try and make your pleat not be too small and not to be too big, and tell your model to hold the other side for you. So that is what I'm doing. I'm extending the end of the pleat now. So I'm back, guys. I'm back to start uploading gele tutorial for you guys. You know, before I was pregnant, that is why, and I give God the glory. I just give birth. Yesterday was my baby naming and his name is Joseph. So now I'm back, and happy new month again. So after doing that, I'll be bringing the 80 parts of the gele back to the front now. 80 parts of the gele, I'll bring it back to the front now. Please let me know if you have any question. Do let me know. So the gele that I'm using for this gele is Ashoke gele, and it's 3 line, our normal Owambe gele. That's what I'm using. So now I'm just extending the pleat to that front there. So I'll be using office pin to pin it down at that front there, so that the gele will not unravel or it will not remove when we continue creating the pleats. So if you are doing this process, you have to be careful and have to be patient when doing it. So yeah, I just want to quickly create another plate there before I now started creating my ruffles. So if you are doing all this process, don't be in a hurry. Make sure you take your time. Make sure you take your time and do what you want. Tell your model, if you need your assistant of your model, your client, tell them to assist you. You cannot do all the job, so you have to tell them to assist you. So now I want to start creating my ruffles. Just look at the way I'm creating my ruffles. It's not that very hard. One thing about ruffles is that you can create anything you want with it. So let me know if you want to see more of ruffles gele on Ashoke or on paper gele or on satin gele. Do let me know. And please guys, try and be watching my video and comment. I'll really appreciate that. You know, I just give birth. Upon that, I still try my possible best to put out video for you guys. So please try and encourage your girl to do more. So please try and watch my video. I will really appreciate that. So that is it. I'm just using office pen to secure the ruffles there. Even me making this voice note now, it's around after 4 that I'm making this voice note, to see that I really love what I'm doing and I love making all this video for you guys. So please encourage your girl by watching, like, comment, subscribe. Help me to share this video with your loved ones. I would really appreciate it. My views have really dropped, guys. Please help your girl to grow more, please. So I'm just using pin to secure it there. So if you are doing this, please just have to be careful not to hurt your model, your clients. Like in this video now, I can say that at least I used the pin to hurt my model like 2 or 3 times. So just try your possible best to be patient, not to hurt your clients with the pin. Look at the way I'm sweating, guys. Upon that, some will not comment today, will not even share. So just please try and do that. I'll really appreciate it. So I'm just trying to adjust the pleats that I created there. I'm trying to adjust it. So now I'll be showing you the back. So the 20 part of the gele now, just look at what I'm doing with it. Just rolling it, not tying it. I'm just rolling it and using office pin to secure it at that back there, and that is just it. And that does not mean your gele will not stay. So let me know if you try this gele. And one thing about this our gele is that the more you practice, the more you tie it, the more your hand will continue to change. So continue practicing and let me know. So I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.